Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to email to a Monday.com board. So if you have to email a board on Monday.com, you have to do this. Just follow these steps and you'll be good to go. So the first thing that you need to do is you have to open the board that you're working on or the project. Then you have to go here on these three dots. And then you have to go here to settings and create items via email. So you can see that when you click on create items via email, it's going to open uh, an email for you that is generated just for you. You can also use a customized email address, but that's completely up to you. I'm going to click here to copy this email, generated email link. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to open my email. I've created an email template here. So I'm going to paste it right here. And then I am going to click send. So once when I do it, let me just refresh it and see what magic actually happens. It actually created an email item list right here. So this was the update that I was talking about. Sometimes the application acts a bit slow, so you need to have patience for that. Otherwise, it's completely amazing that it created a list of email items for us that we can arrange according to our specific needs. So if I click right here, you can see that my email is right here, and we can also update it via email. So that's completely up to us if we want to update this email, but that's the main procedure how you do it. So this is how you email to a board on Monday.com. So I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.